here working on this 2015 Ford Transit and detected a misfire. And if you see over here, cylinder 3, this one actually, look at that misfire count. My goodness. So they said they just got the spark plugs changed, so we're probably going to go for a new coil. We'll test all that, make sure it's all good to go. But definitely cylinder 3 is misfiring badly. And always, my luck, cylinder 3 is the last one on this side. So it couldn't be this easy where it's just those 3. It has to be on the other side. So very good. Let's take everything apart. All right, so I had to get that taken off so I can see all the stuff I gotta get out of here to get to that cylinder. So intake and all those connections, throttle body. Kinda sucks, but all right. All right, pulled cylinder 3 coil off. It is a brand new coil. I'm just gonna swap it out with cylinder 4 over here so that put it back together and see if it changes. So I can verify that was the coil. But I'm gonna pull the plug first, make sure that's looking good. Okay, so I switched out this one and this one because this one's easy to get to. So if it's the coil, it should switch to cylinder 4. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm gonna put the intake back on and fire it up and see where the code does. All right, so nothing's misfiring now. Either they put too much grease on the boot, on the coil, which I cleaned out a little bit and put a little tiny bit on there. And then I switched out the coils, cleaned the spark plug and everything, and seems like it's good to go. So I'm gonna go let the customer know that if they have any other issues, we'll go from there. So awesome. I think it's good to go.